Today, we're going to be focusing on part 1 sample answers about one of my favorite topics in the world, the topic of food and cooking, giving you some inspiration, vocabulary and phrases that you can use in your IELTS speaking. So, without further ado, Charles, do you like cooking? Well, in the past, I loved nothing more than to cook some mouth-watering dishes like pho for my stunning family. But now I prefer to cook more of a balanced diet. This is due to the fact that I'm trying to lose weight. Occasionally, though, I really enjoy visiting a luxury restaurant to spoil myself and indulge myself slightly. Now, guys, talk about starting off with a strong start. Did you notice the techniques that I was using comparing the past to the present? Moreover, some of that vocabulary to indulge myself. To indulge means to spoil yourself, to do something extra special. Moreover, did you notice as well my adverbs of frequency? Sometimes, always. Try to use these in your answers too. Question number 2. What kind of food do you usually eat? Well, to be honest, I'm a big fan of international cuisine, which is important because I can learn more about a wide range of cultures throughout the world. For example, last night I visited Pizza 4P's, a stunning Italian restaurant located in the heart of the thriving metropolis Ho Chi Minh City. It really was a wonderful meal for me. In that answer, you can see I gave a little example to support my ideas. Remember, you can give examples as well in the past tense. For example, last week, last night, I visited. Be careful with the past tense pronunciation. I visited. I traveled to. I went or I go. Remember, I went. Please be careful with that. Question number 3. What is your favorite meal of the day? Remember, you can show your personality. Oh, I absolutely love dinner. This is due to the fact that it's an opportunity for my family to come together, to cook, to enjoy, and indeed to eat. I can vividly remember when I was a child, my mother always cooked stunning roast beef for the family, and we gossiped about our wonderful days. These memories are something you simply can't put a price on. You see there, I'm showing my personality, the passion, the enthusiasm, the energy in my answers. Now, with my next answer, I'm going to try and use comparatives. This is quite advanced, but you can use it as well. Question number 4. Do you prefer eating in restaurants or at home? Well, to be honest, I love nothing more than to enjoy a meal on a special occasion in a luxury restaurant because I can relax and enjoy the vibrant atmosphere. But nothing gives me more pleasure than to relax at home, kick my shoes off and enjoy a home-cooked meal due to the fact that I can control the fresh ingredients and, of course, it's more healthy. Now, with the final question today, and this is a hot question, do you eat a healthy diet? To be honest, I really don't. But remember, in IELTS, you can lie, okay? So let's see if this is believable. Yes, absolutely. I try to eat a balanced and well-rounded diet because I want to improve my mental and physical health. Moreover, if I eat a balanced diet, it allows me to perhaps get a body to die for with a sexy six-pack. But occasionally, I do like to spoil myself and enjoy eating comfort food. One might say that at the weekend, I can be something of a couch potato, so this suits my personality. Team, these answers are incredibly high level. I know that. I'm trying to inspire you, give you phrases, grammar, techniques that you can use in your answers. I love the topic of cooking. Could you let me know in the comments down below, what is your favorite type of cuisine? Do you like Italian? Do you like Mexican? Or maybe even British? Thanks as always for watching, guys. Please hit subscribe, leave a like, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.